so many YouTubers in these days, so you can watch their video and they are also connected with a beginner, relate with them, and then definitely you learn something new in a daily basis. I can say I learned so many things by watching conversation video. Yes, I Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. So guys, as you know, I'm also English learner, and nowadays I come across everyday new things. So I just note down all things in my mind, because if I try to note down in my books, in my notebook, so that time, I mean, it takes so much time, and I'm not fond of write down everything in my notebook. So that's why whenever I come across new things, new word, and every things which we need to learn in English language, so I just try to inculcate in my daily habit. I just note down in my mind and make sentence on this topic. So just guys, today I want to share my personal experience, which I used to do and still I do. So that technique called is watching conversation video on YouTube can help you to improve your English. So guys, you might think, how is this possible? So guys, this is possible because of whenever I start my journey, and I was in my initial stage. So that time I never have a right guidance and anything, right roadmap. But that time I came across some of video on YouTuber, like I think you also come across all day new YouTubers, which they are making their conversation video on YouTube and they do session with each other. So that can help you to make your basic perfect, and you reduce your fear day by day watching these type of video. Because guys, whenever we start our journey, especially English, so that time we don't have a good and right roadmap. What should I do and where I should use this word and phrases, idioms, all things which is required in this language. So that time we were very confused. So guys, I personally used to watch every day, I think, 5-6 videos on YouTube, conversation video especially. So I learned so many things by watching video, because of if I always try to learn grammar and all grammar rules, and I just note down everything in my diary, notebook, and I don't do any practice, and I don't inculcate a new habit in English, and I don't uh, uh, make my mind and make my mind habitual of this language. So I think I'm not here to speak something in front of you, because guys, because of my earlier hard work, I can convey my thought little bit like this. Because earlier I was not able to convey my thought in 1 minute. So that's why I learned so many things by conversation video. So I just want to recommend for you who all are beginner in this language. So you just need to make your foundation first. Like if you are most of learner beginners, so what you should do, like there are so many YouTubers in these days, so you can watch their video and they are also connected with a beginner, and so you can relate with them, and then definitely you learn something new in a daily basis, and you know the roadmap where I should use these things and all things which we feel required in this language. So guys, I can say I learned so many things by watching conversation video. Yes, I don't do this type of practice still with anyone, but I want to do earlier also. But that time I was not confident enough. So that time I thought if I connected with any YouTuber, so I think I'm not able to convey my thought, and I feel very underconfident. But now I'm little bit confident. But let's see when will I connected with any YouTuber. So I want to also do this type of practice like conversation with each other, and we learn so many things to connected with any co-learner and any professional speakers. So what is the benefit to watch this kind of video? So you just you come across everyday new word meaning and you can learn so many idioms and phrases by watching this type of content. And they also connected with a professional learner like tutor. You might also come across like English Yari platform and Clappingo, and there are uh, so many good and great platform in these days where we can learn English. But somewhere I think it is our own uh, circumstances, like we are a student and someone have their own situation, so they can't afford to very expensive tutor. So I just want to recommend guys, because they so many YouTubers are connected with professional tutor, so they make session with them and also upload on their YouTube channel. So I always try to watch almost 2-3 videos every day, and later then I observe many things, and I try to inculcate those all word meaning and habit in my personal life. So that's why guys, this thing is very helpful, and this technique is going to very helpful for you. And personally, why I'm share this thing, because I learned so many things by watching these kind of videos. So guys, if you are a beginner, so don't wait for the perfection, because no one is perfect in this language, especially we are Indian. So I think we have to juggling in this language, and later then we will reach our destination soon. But why I want to recommend this type of practice, because I learned so many things by watching these kind of videos. And also still I watch every day, and what all type of uh, benefit I uh, benefit I get from those videos. Like I know the roadmap where I should use this word and where I should use this type of communication. And so I learned so many things by watching them. And I also learned a body language where we should talk like this, where we should anything. So guys, I just now I'm not able to describe anything, but I just want to tell you who are learner in this language. So please watch this kind of video in a regular basis, and then you later feel uh, somewhere we learn something new, and we get a roadmap later in your mind. I can learn this language, so anyone can learn this language. So guys, I just want to share with you, and right now I don't getting so many words to say about this, but I just want to share. If you watching this kind of video in every day, so you might get fluency in a 6 month and 1 year, because learning should be never stop, and we should learn everything new every day. But if you want to a good roadmap, so if you search here and there any tutor, and you don't have enough time and anything, so just watch a conversation video. There are so many YouTubers and they guide properly, and they talk with each other, so we can learn so many things from them. So guys, that's all for today. And if I do any mistake in this video, so please keep guide me, because I'm also learner like you, and I can't say myself professional as I said in my many video. So I just want to convey my thought front of you, because I want to make my journey very and I can say I want to make my journey by this my YouTube channel, and also I want to reach at my destination, like in my last goal, where I can speak in this language fluently. So I just want to share this all things. But I want to say a last thing: you should watch every day. It could be podcast and it could be conversation video, but personally I recommend you to conversation video, because that is they are using basic English, and so we can relate with them, and that's why we learn so many things from them. So just keep watching and keep learning something new in a daily basis. And please guys, if you like my video somewhere and little bit, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.